Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome guys to this maybe the last tutorial of our this project. Maybe, okay? So let's start with this project. First of all, I'm going to now teach you how to create these buttons. So go to insert, you will see in the 2013 version the illustrations, but in others you will see shapes. So click on any of them and click any one you want. I'll say rounded rectangle I will select and just drag it over and change a couple of things in here like this. So it will just now you can click in here, click anywhere in there and type, for example, in my case, North and Soft. That's my blog, of course, you know. And now, yes, this is how you make it. That's simple as that. Okay, make many of them, and just after making it, for example, in the home, I accidentally created it. We don't need home, so I'll delete home and just take this in here. As you can see now, I don't have the contact number thing, because I deleted it and I didn't want to make everything hard, so I'll delete this contact too. Okay, in here let me just first tell you why I'm making these buttons. So right click on them and click on a hyperlink. In the hyperlink section, click on place in this document and click on daily attendance. As you can see, daily attendance is the name of this button or shape. Now right click in here, records, so click on records and click OK. Now what will happen? If I click on daily attendance, I will get redirected to records section or daily attendance section. Now I want to click on hyperlink home. After that, right click, hyperlink records. Okay, now in the records section, what I'll do is find, first of all, where are the buttons. These are the buttons. Right click on them and hyperlink. I want the home tab or home sheet. Right click again in here and I want the daily attendance sheet. So we have navigation buttons in here. These are this will work as navigation buttons. Now in this section, now we will learn how to create submitting, how to submit things. So these buttons, clear and submit button, create these two buttons and type some information. I'll type the first name of new student entry, data entry. As you can see, new student data entry. I'll say his name is Suhaib Iftihar. I think I didn't. Okay, and he's present, of course, and I'll click I want to now submit, but I can't submit it, so I'll show you how to submit. First of all, right click in here anywhere in the tabs, ribbon or tabs, and click on developers. As you can see, this developers ticket, select it and now click OK. After clicking OK, you will see this developers tab. Click on developers tab and click on record macro. First of all, I'll save everything and click on record macro. And in the record macro section, what you need to do is name the what type of recording you are doing. I'm doing a recording, I'm naming it new student data entry. Okay, and I don't want any description. Make sure you don't give it any spaces, so it will if you do that, it will give you error, and you are not allowed to give it spaces. Okay, basically. Now as you can see, now it's recording. It is recording now. First of all, now follow my steps exactly 100%. Don't overdo anything. Don't use your brain if you are not familiar with this macros. So okay, first of all, click on the first name, copy it and click on the records section click on first name, control down arrow. Now click here, which will says relative reference, and down arrow, and right click and paste as values. Okay, now right click, right again, as it is opened. Now close it, means turn it off, deactivate it, deactivate the relative reference. Now go to the home tab again, copy this iftihar and go to the records, paste iftihar. Okay, don't paste it, right click and paste as values. So that's why I wanted to paste it as values. Now in this contact number, actually I have deleted, I don't want, well, it doesn't matter, I'll put a contact number. Suppose this is contact number. Okay, what I'll do is nothing. I can't put a contact number from anywhere, so I don't want to put contact number for now. If I put, I will be in big trouble. So now go to copy the P and go to records, and as you can see I have contact number, but I don't want it. I'll click on the first name again and use the relative reference, control down arrow, and close the relative reference, control most right, control very up, control very down, and now reuse the relative reference and control down. I have actually did very stupid thing in here, but it will work good. It is kind of really strange thing, you can say. And go to the home tab and double click anywhere. This is how it will work, and let's check it out. How does it work? So I have to close the macro, right click on the submit button, assign macro, and in the assign macro I'll click on new student data entry. Now I'll change the name to someone else's name, Rita. Again, I know these name only, why? Now go to the record section, see how does it work. So we have Rita Aslam and she is present today. That's all. I'll just drag this in here. Make sure I'll type them by myself. Let me tell you something, you should know this, and that is the first entry. The first entry, you should do it by yourself, and that's really important for this. If you don't do this, it won't work. This sheet won't work. So the first day entry should be done by you, so that you can type the student's name if they are new students and some stuff like that. Just copy and paste them. You can still do anything you want, but it's really important to do that. I'm gonna read now the clear button, how to do what is its function. It's understandable what it will do. So I'll make a macro, new macro, click in here and name it clear data, and click on Rita, delete, and just close the macro. So I'll just say something is here, something is here, something is here. Of course I'm not allowed to, I'm allowed to only put P in here. Oops, yeah. So you can right click and assign and clear data. Submit it, but clear means everything will be gone. The problem in here, I think maybe I have accidentally deleted it, or I didn't make it, so I'll make it, and that is I'm gonna add P or A. So now we have P or A, and new, you can say thing has been added. I'll delete this. It won't change anything. Does it change anything if I delete this? Let's check it out. Well, first of all, let me just drag this. Okay, yeah, good. Now I'm gonna add a new student again, which will be something like this, and click on submit. If it changes things, then it won't work, but it doesn't change anything. It's really good, works good, and everything is good. Yeah, the problem is in this, so we don't need this section. Oops. Yeah, this is the problem, and this is 9. Just get rid of it and it will work good. Okay, actually I don't want that section, so I have deleted everything related to that. So if contact number is not present, it shouldn't give me that about anything about contact number. It should not ask me about the contact number, in simple words. Now the second part of our series is this one, and that is daily attendance sheet. It's really important that whenever you come in here, for example daily, the second day is and you want to take the attendance of students, how will you do that? That's go in records again and again. Now I'll give you a really easy way of doing that. I'll show you actually. So let's start with it. Let's see, we are not concerned about this section, so don't think about this. Okay, yeah, this will become different. So if you are doing that for more than one cell, that will be a problem for you. I told you this is first 6 and this is 5. This will become 5. So now same thing, nothing is different. Now coming in here, first of all, I'm gonna create a new macro. Okay, believe it or not, let me check everything is cool. Go in here, find, okay, sorry, what am I doing? Okay, everything it seems fine. If I click here and go upstairs and just go in here and go in here, no, if I click in here, go down, go right stairs and go one step right again, yeah, everything is cool. So let me show you how it will work. So just create a new macro and call it daily attendance resetting. Okay, so how will it work? It's really easy. First of all, let me click in here. Okay, all you need to do is go in the records section, click here, control down arrow, right click, copy, go to daily attendance, click in the under ID section, under ID heading, right click and paste as values. That's all you have to do, and it's resetted. Every time you click on this, it will be reset. Okay, now close the macro. After closing the macro, right click in here, assign macro. So after assigning macro, click in daily attendance. Not after assign the macro right away, right now, not right away. What am I doing? I'm really bad in English. So whatever, this is new student, some student. I will record, type his attendance. Now go to the daily attendance. I don't have that student. If I reset my attendance, now I have that student. So every time you type a new student, you don't have to worry about it appearing in here. It will appear in here by itself. VBA. Okay, present, absent, present, absent, present, absent. So what to do now? The thing we'll do now is record a macro again, and that macro will be, what did I do? Yeah, so now all you need to do is click on record new macro and name it submitting daily attendance. Okay, after clicking on that, all you have to do now, it is recording, it is getting recorded. Now click in here, Control Shift down arrow, right click, Control copy, well, not Control copy, just copy it, go to the record section, click on ID, one step down arrow, Control right arrow, and use a relative reference, one right arrow again, right click in here, paste as values. Okay, now after that, all you have to do again, go to the daily attendance, click on here, copy it, go to the records section, click in here, right click and paste as value. So this is the value. Let me think, it should be appear in long date and time short date. As you can see this, click on the number system as I have shown you, click in here. So I'll make it day, month, and double year. Now it will be like this. So come back in here, double click in here, and that's all. Just close this stupid thing. What will now reset your attendance. Make sure that you take attendance only once. Okay, once. Thank you. So for resetting attendance, so when you reset your attendance, everything will be here. So I need a new button. Actually, I didn't make it, so I'll make a new one. Copy it. You can just readjust it whenever you want, but I want to clear attendance. Okay, and that is, I'm gonna put it in here. Right click, not right click, first of all, record macro, clearing daily attendance. Okay, now all I need to do is Control Shift down arrow and delete it, and come back in here, close the macro, right click, assign macro, and clear daily attendance macro. So not small p, capital P. If I just click on clear, these things will be cleared. Reset attendance, clear attendance, whatever. So this is good, this works really fine. I don't mind anything in here, it's really great. So have fun with it, and tell me if you think if you have any problem. Well, let's have one more tutorial. No, we won't have any tutorial, so I'll teach you a simple trick that is really important. So select all of the whole sheet and go to the home tab, click on number, click on production, and click unlock it. Okay, go in the daily attendance, select whole sheet, click on number, production, no production, records, everything, and number, production, no production. Now what you have to do is if you remember that we have formulas in here, so I'll select all of these, control all of these, control all of these, and click on number and product and lock them. So things which contains formulas should be locked. For example, for in here, right click and format cells, production, lock. You can do it for every important everything, yeah, or every cell which contains formulas. And basically what it will do is help you with something, and that I'm gonna show you now right away. So go to the review, I think, yeah, review section, and click protect sheet, and just okay. So now make some changes. You are not allowed to make changes in here, but you are allowed to make changes here. So you are allowed to not allowed to make any changes in formulas. That's all. You can do it with others. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any question regarding this tutorial or just this tutorial, or have any request, special requests, then you can ask me. Inshallah, I will try to my level best to help you. And second thing is, if you have any special requests, I will try again to help you. And third thing is, everything is in. Yeah, I didn't tell you one thing, and that is, for example, no one allowed is to put anything but number name in here. So I'll say general only. It's for text only. So I'm allowed to type text only. If I type numbers in here, I'm not allowed. I shouldn't be allowed to enter numbers. So let me check in here. If they give me decimal, whole number, list, date, time, text length, minimum is 3, maximum is 60. Okay, so I can type only in this in here. If I type text, what the hell is this? I don't have I can't see to find any answer for that. But thank you very much guys for watching, and if I'll try making a lot of other videos, so bear with me. Allah Hafiz.